How to add your Shopify link onto Printify. So first things first, head over to shopify.com and navigate to your store settings. And once you're into your store settings, you're going to head over to domains. From the domain section right here, what you're going to do is you're going to simply head over to your store and simply just copy your domain's link. And once that link is copied, you see I've copied mine. I'll head over to Printify, log into Printify, and here I'm going to click on to adding my new store. And once you add onto your new store, basically what Printify does is that it allows you to connect your store with a sales channel that you already have. Let's just say you have TikTok Shop, you can simply just connect it down with it. But since we're going over with Shopify, what you have to do is simply paste in that link, the store's URL to connect with Printify. I just pasted that link that we copied earlier, and we simply connected Shopify with Printify in simple, easy 2 steps. Now here is my Shopify connected with Printify, which is a print on demand section. You can see that it shows up right here into the apps, as in it's integrated already with my store. Now, I will have to log back in once again to verify it, but this is it. You can see it's already integrated into the app section. So this is a simple, quick, and easy way to, integrate and link in your Shopify store using Printify.